Hey guys, we're on our way to Point Pelee to go kayaking. He just literally stunk me out. Like, instant.
Welcome to being in a van, but a different van this time.
Yes, we're in a different van this time. We are headed to Point Pelee National Park. You can see it behind me. Don't want to have to show you in the front. Everybody likes to look at me. Or maybe Ryan, we don't really know. Drop it in the comments and let us know. This is not the boardwalk. This is not the marsh walk.
It's about a half a kilometer in the park.
Yeah, it's not far in from the gate. We have a very, very overcasty day today. It's supposed to be a nice big sunburst, but the weather people lied. Let's zoom out a bit. This is what we're gonna kayak in. Love me some brown water. Heading to one of the washrooms that are located in Point Pelee. This is what they look like. They are flushable toilets, not holes in the ground. When you get to the boardwalk area, there is a little store. It's the lookout for the Point Pelee National Park Marsh boardwalk, and the boardwalk goes all the way down there. This is a spot where you can launch your canoes, kayaks, or paddle boards. They also do have rentals. I'll go. Oh, and bikes for rent. I didn't know they had bikes, so that's new. So that's your prices for bike rental. And here is your kayak rental prices. Little Turtle Bridge Island. Cute. Good job, Point Pelee. Enjoying the day out at Point Pelee in the marsh. Very quiet. Pretty much just put my sails up and the water just pushes me along. The wind just pushes me along.
Be looking back over my shoulder. Don't need directions to get where